YouTube, what's good? Shrimp Rummy back here with another reaction video for you all. This time we about to look at this adjustment, loud cracking adjustment compilation. I've never been to the chiropractor before, and I mean, I've seen videos and I've heard people talk about it, and you know, you hear all of these loud cracking noises, almost like you're taking a water bottle and just, you know, twisting it. Those plastic bottles, how it sounds like that. And as far as I know, it's supposed to feel, you know, really good. It's supposed to relieve a lot of tension, pressure in the shoulders, in the middle of your back, your lower back, and I guess your spine. Also has to do with basically different parts of your body, basically your entire body. So, you know, we're gonna check this out, and you guys let me know if you ever been to the chiropractor, because I've never been, and I would like to go. So let's check out this video.
Relax right here for me. Good movement. Okay, just about as good as the first time, huh? Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. There. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good. Nice. Good. For me. Very good. Okay.
Boy, that was much more.
Very good. We got some.
Good.
Good. Very good. Here for me. Very good. Very good. Completely exhale. Completely exhale. Good movement. Very good. Relax again.
Good. There we go. That's it, boy.
Oh my goodness.
I got you.
Toe up.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale.
Perfect. Boy, crack axe gonna love you. Yes, sir.
That's ain't that true.
Whoa.
Mm.
Relax, relax. One more. There it is. Ooh, nice and much. One more break.
Oh my gosh.
Nice. Very good movement. Very good. Very good. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Boy, you're...
Very good. Very good. Okay. Very good. How's that, neighbor?
Good.
Good. Very good. Very good. Cervical restriction
Does
here.
it feel good?
Very good.
Some of them look like they enjoy it, and other ones look like they be in pain. Goodness. I've never been to a chiropractor, so, you know, my wife has. She's been a few times. I've never been. So she always says how I need to experience it, because when she went, it felt good. And when I look at some of the videos look like some of the people enjoy it. It looks like it's relieving some pressure, but I done seen some ones where it looked like people was in some real pain. So let me know if you all ever been to the chiropractor and how your experience was. I actually hope to, you know, try it. I've been to a few different massage places, but I've yet to get an adjustment. So I will really be interested to see how it feels, how intense it is, and how much pressure it relieves off of like different parts of my body. So like, share, subscribe. Till next time, this is Shrimp Rummy signing out.